Warren Buffett reigns supreme in finance. An investment virtuoso akin to Hendrix in music. Yet, only 2% emulate his success, with 98% missing the rhythm. Let's explore this intriguing disparity, shall we? We'll be turning over the vinyl of Buffett's wisdom to find the hidden tracks of success and, perhaps, a few reasons why the majority end up in the bargain bin. Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has a straightforward yet profound investing philosophy. He's no day trader. Instead, he invests in companies he understands and believes in for the long term. Like an ardent fan of classic rock in a world of fleeting TikTok trends, Buffett sticks to his guns, investing in what he knows and trusts. Here are 10 reasons, according to Buffett, why 2% succeed and 98% don't. 10. Passion with purpose. Now, if you think about it, passion is a funny thing. It's like a blazing inferno within you. Depending on how you handle it, it can light your way or burn you to ashes. The 2%, the fiery comets of our world, have harnessed their passion and paired it with a purpose. They're not just wildly enthusiastic but passionate about making a difference. This fiery enthusiasm and burning desire isn't some random spark, it's calculated, it's directed. Buffett once remarked, "You only have to do very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong." So, how about we do this passion thing right? What's your purpose? What lights your fire? Are you channeling it in a way that aligns with your values and goals? Are you not just chasing your passion but guiding it toward a purpose? Mull it over a bit. 9. Investing in yourself. I have the answer if you have ever wondered what to do with that spare change hiding under your couch cushions. Buffett, the investing wizard himself, proclaimed, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Now, I'm not suggesting you use that couch change to buy a self-help book, although that might not be a bad idea. The point here is about investing your time, effort, and resources in expanding your skill set and knowledge. Picture yourself as a master sculptor, with your life as your marble. It's all about chipping away at the excess, refining and shaping yourself continually. It's about waking up each day to be a better version of yourself than yesterday. That's what our unicorn-like 2% does, and so can you. 8. Adapting to change. The 2% are like chameleons. Now, I'm not talking about those creepy eyes moving in different directions, but their ability to adapt. They embrace change, understanding that the world is always evolving. If you're not moving forward, you're falling behind. A quote by Buffett states, "The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect." You need a temperament that neither derives great pleasure from being with the crowd or against the crowd. The key is to remain poised in the face of change, neither succumbing to the fear of the unknown nor mindlessly following the crowd. That's the essence of adaptability. Are you ready to be that chameleon, prepared to seize emerging opportunities, blend into new environments and keep growing? 7. Discipline, not distractions. Discipline is a critical component that distinguishes the 2% of successful people. They're like Olympic athletes, training their minds to stay focused on the finish line, even if delicious taco stands or cat videos tempt them along the way. According to Buffett, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. This translates to distractions. Not today, thank you. They set their sights on their goals and don't allow anything to divert their attention. So, what can we take away from this? Simply put, don't allow yourself to be pulled in every direction. Learn to say no and concentrate on what truly matters. Easier said than done, but nobody said the road to success was a cakewalk. 6. Your network is your net worth. Another nugget of wisdom from the 2% club is that they understand the importance of surrounding themselves with intelligent, successful people. You might think they're like social butterflies, flitting from one influential connection to another, but in reality, they're strategic. They are consistently looking for people who can help them learn and grow. They are picky about their tribe, and that's a good thing. Buffett himself, along with his longtime business partner Charlie Munger, has often emphasized the importance of keeping good company. So, the moral of the story? Choose your crowd wisely. Seek out those who inspire, challenge, and elevate your game. 5. Embracing failure. Now, let's talk about failure. Sounds scary, doesn't it? But it shouldn't. Failure is not a boogeyman hiding under the bed, it's a stepping stone to success. Remember, the 2% Club members didn't just wake up one day and become wildly successful. No, they stumbled and fell, but they got back up, dusted off their pants, and continued their journey. They're like courageous trapeze artists, swinging high above their fears of falling. As Buffett put it, they understand that it's good to learn from your mistakes. It's better to learn from other people's mistakes. So, they embrace failure, they learn from it, and they use it to fuel their journey to success. 4. Information is king. Oh yeah, it's not just the king, it's the entire royal court. The 2% Club, they're like the kids who sat in the front row in school, eagerly absorbing every word the teacher said. Only now, they're not listening to Miss Appleby explaining geometry, they're gorging on books, industry reports, and the latest trends. Why? Because in the financial world, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Buffett once stated, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Ain't that the truth? So, the next time you think about binge-watching that new series, pick up a book on investment strategies instead. Who knows, you might be the next Buffett in the making. 3. Intelligent risk-taking. The 2% aren't running around the stock market like kids in a candy store. They're more like grandmasters in chess, contemplating every move, strategizing, and calculating. They know that recklessness is a quick route to bankruptcy. Warren Buffett emphasized this when he said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." So basically, if you're investing blindfolded and hoping for the best, you might as well hand your money over to a 3-year-old. No offense to toddlers, of course. They're very good at eating cookies, less good at stock market speculation. 2. Patience, grasshopper. If we're talking patience, we should probably call it patience, Warren. He's the guy who held onto his shares in Coca-Cola for over 30 years. And you thought waiting for your pizza delivery was tough. The 2% don't expect to wake up as billionaires after one smart trade. They know that building a fortune is like playing Jenga. One wrong move and it all comes crashing down. But with slow, steady moves and a lot of patience, you get a tower that stands tall and strong. Buffett put it perfectly when he said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." So, start planting your financial trees today, folks. Just remember, it will take a while for them to grow. 1. The power of generosity and modesty. Now, here's something interesting. Buffett, who's donated over $30 billion to philanthropic causes, once said that supporting the right people is more important than anything else in business and philanthropy. He's got the point, right? Imagine investing in a cause, you'd want to know your money's going to people who'll make a real difference. That's the secret ingredient. I can see you asking, what's this got to do with success? Well, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, 2 women started businesses from scratch, zip, zilch, nada, and ended up selling them to legendary investors. What's the secret? Ethics, hard work, and a positive attitude. It doesn't sound too complicated, does it? It's about focusing on the long game, regardless of the short-term ups and downs. And just like that, we're back to Buffett's golden rule: bet on the right people, whether business or philanthropy. And why not? When you find someone with the right goals and who is ready to do the work, you've struck gold, my friend. So, what can you do today to be part of that 2%? Think about it and let me know in the comments below. And remember, as Buffett says, when you get a chance to bet on the right person for the right project, you had better get your money down. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, like Warren Buffett says, the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. So, go out there and invest in your knowledge, and who knows, you'll be part of that exclusive 2%. And until our next adventure, keep learning, investing, and growing. Kindly watch the following video that pops up now.